So how it is written? It is written like dal, but with one dot. It is written with a single curved stroke from top to bottom. Single curved stroke from top to bottom. One dot above it, as one dot above it, and it rests on the line. Okay, that's the imaginary line. And let me do it practically. Okay, so that's the situation. If it's written on its own, dal. If it's in the beginning, it's same as if it's written on its own. Down again. Then, okay. If it's written in the middle, okay. If it's written, okay, so this is extra bit. This should be there. Let me write it down again. And if it's written at the end,